In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off any Safari restrictions on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. As you can see now, I'm on a Safari web browser, and now if we'll try to search for anything, let's say Facebook, it will say us that we cannot browse this page at google.com because even google.com is restricted now on my device. If you got the same issues with google.com or any other website, I got a solution for you. All you have to do is just head over to Settings, then scroll down a bit until you find the screen time here. After that, you need to get into Content and Privacy Restrictions, then Content Restrictions. If you set a screen time passcode on that step, you need to enter it to continue. Then, once you are at Content Restrictions, get into Web Content. Most likely on your device, like in my case, it is set to Allowed Websites. And basically, guys, all you have to do is just set it to Unrestricted. And also, basically, guys, that will turn off any limitations from the Safari web browser. And also, if you want to turn off any limitations on your entire device, you can just turn off this option, which is called Content and Privacy Restrictions. However, now I'm gonna show you how it looks like now. As you can see, now we are able to visit any sites. Let me Google Instagram. Google.com works, as you can see, properly, and that's how we can actually turn off any restrictions on Safari web browser. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.